Hello to one and all who have joined. I extend a warm welcome on behalf of the Westwood School. We are thrilled to introduce you our latest innovation in educational technology, our new school management software. This system will make it easier for you to stay updated on your child's progress, attendance, and school activities. So let's get started without further ado. To access the student portal, simply visit Google Play Store, look for the Westwood School application, and install it. You will be redirected to login portal wherein all the required login credentials will be provided by your school management. When you click on profile, you can view your child's personal information. Secondly, we have Campus Wall, wherein you will be able to access school's general information like examination timetable or any latest updates. Further, let's explore different modules of our application. To begin with, we have homework where you will see subject wise homework or any attached image or document file. If your school allows, you can also submit your homework online through application. Further on list, we have e-learning module where you will see referral videos uploaded by concerned teacher.
Hello everyone, welcome to
Next on loop, we have notice module where you'll be able to view notice uploaded by school management or class notice uploaded by class teacher or any concerned subject teacher. Coming on list, we have attendance module which helps to maintain quick and accurate attendance, records of which can be tracked easily. You can also view current as well as previous month attendance record. Parent notification will be generated as soon as your child's attendance is marked. Further, we have exam module where you'll see any upcoming exam assigned by teacher. Results of the same can also be accessed in parallel. You'll also receive a notification when an exam is assigned or result is prepared. Additionally, we have fees module which helps you easily track your child's fees records. Here you'll be able to view total fees for the year, paid fees or any dues. If school allows, you can also pay fees online and download fees receipt as well. Next in queue is timetable module where you'll receive lecture-wise timetable to be followed. Up and coming is calendar module where subject-wise academic planner for the year can be displayed. Subsequently, we have holidays module where you will find list of holidays for entire academic year. Following in list is transport module where your child's real-time transportation status can be tracked through GPS. It looks after your child's safety and flexibility. Following that is gallery module where you will be able to see and download all the attached images and videos of events or any special occasion conducted by school management. When you click on Explore menu, you will be able to view other list of modules. Subsequently, we have Study Material module where you will be able to view and download material uploaded by concerned subject teacher either in image or PDF format. Consecutively, we have Achievement module, which records and celebrates students' academic and co curricular achievements. It includes public acknowledgement through digital badges, which can be stored digitally in the profile. Looking further, we have Appreciation module, where your child's academic and behavioral approach will be tracked. Here, appreciation based on attendance, outstanding progress, or being star student of the month is seen. Sequentially, we have counseling module where parents are warmly invited by teachers to discuss their child's progress and development. Successively, we have communication module, which is the go-to part of any organization. It has features right, like real-time messaging, doubt solving from concerned subject teacher, sharing any image or files with ease. In addition, we have leave module, wherein leave application can be submitted to concerned teacher by student or parent side, while teacher can approve or reject the leave. Moving further, we have event module where upcoming events will be displayed. Norms and instructions regarding events will also be attached here. In conclusion, we have classwork module where day-to-day lecture-wise classwork can be tracked easily. To wrap it up, this video gives you a brief of all the essential modules. In case of any queries or concerns, feel free to contact us.